guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So happy Halloween everyone. This month went by so fast and I'm like kind of sad that spooky season is over. So I think we're gonna finish October off with a really like traditional Halloween nail set. I just have some random polygels right here, but we're gonna do more of like a orange, purple, green nail set, like really traditional Halloween colors. So yeah, let's just get right into this nail set. Okay, so here are my natural nails. I already did the nail prep because I just wanted to speed this video up a little bit. So yeah, nail prep is already done. I just have a peel off base coat on right now and I have my tips sized out right here. So yeah, let's just get gluing these on. I'm going to use some base coat to glue these on. I'm just going to be putting a little bit of base coat at the tip of my nail. All right, and now the tip is all nicely cured on there. Okay, so now that all the nail tips are glued on, I'm just going to trim them down using my tip cutters. In my last video, I said that I was going to trim these down, but I really didn't. So I'll actually trim these down for you guys this time. Tiny. Okay, so once all the nail tips are cut down, I'm just going to reshape these nails using my hand file. Okay, so here are how the nails are looking after I have shaped them all. And now I'm just going to use my fine grit sanding band and I'm going to remove the shine from all the nail tips. Okay, and now we're just going to go ahead and add on a layer of base coat to all of these nails. Okay, so after I have all the base coat on, we're just going to get started on the polygel. So we're going to be using this Nude Polygel today, and we're going to be doing some French tips. Okay, so to get started on the French tips, I'm just going to be taking a bead of this polygel, and I'm going to put some of this at the cuticle area of the nail. And then I'm just going to smooth this out and try and push this as close to the cuticle area as I can, but not touching the skin. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the same thing on the rest of the nails. Okay, now that I got all the nude part of the nail done, I'm just going to take my hand file and reshape this part a little bit. Okay, so next we're going to be taking this orange glow-in-the-dark Model 1's polygel, and I'm just putting this at the tip of the nail. So this is a mix-matched like French tip nail set, so all the nail tips are going to be different colors with like different nail art on them. I think this was a really nice nail set to kind of end this Halloween season on because it just has a little bit of everything, and I like that. So yeah, pointer finger was orange, and now onto the middle finger. This nail is going to be purple. In the picture, this nail is black with the ghost nail art on top, but I didn't really feel like painting on the French tip, so I just decided to go with this glow-in-the-dark purple color, and it's a Halloween color anyways. So onto the ring finger. This nail was supposed to be white with the blood drips, and I was gonna do that, but I couldn't find my white glow-in-the-dark polygel. Like, I literally just used that in one of my other videos and I can't find it. So I decided to do a clear nail and then just like paint on the nail art and then make the nail art glow in the dark. And then onto the pinky nail. This French tip is going to be green glow in the dark. I know this video is moving pretty fast, but I wanted to get this video up as quickly as possible for you guys, especially since I know y'all are probably busy because it's Halloween. So I think a shorter video, a quick nail set is a little bit better for today. then onto the thumbnail. I didn't really know what I wanted to do on this thumbnail, so I looked through all my glow-in-the-dark polygels and I had this dark blue one and I was like, okay, I think I can do something with this. So I chose this dark blue polygel, and yeah, now I'm just putting that at the tip of the thumbnail. Okay, so once all the polygel is applied to the nails, I'm just going to get reshaping using my hand file and my Makartt dust collector. Okay, and once all the nails are done being shaped, I'm just going to get started on this nail art. I'm just going to need some black gel polish, and I'm going to be painting a layer of top coat on the nails. So for the pinky nail, we're going to be doing a stitched outline. So I'm just taking that black gel polish and I'm outlining the smile line of the nail. And doing these outlines with my non-dominant hand was really hard, actually. Like, the lines weren't nice and straight. It looked a little bit sloppy, but I mean, like, it was my non-dominant hand. So yeah, it was a little bit hard, but I just used my brush to clean up the lines and make it a little bit more crisp. Then I'm just going to be adding on the little like stitch design, and this nail is just a really simple nail. Okay, and onto the ring finger. So I decided to do this nail like a spider web. So I'm just outlining that smile line with the white, and then I just make the spider web design. Spider webs are pretty easy to do. I think you just really need a thin, good nail art brush. I say this all the time, but I'm telling you, you need a good nail art brush. It'll save you a lot of like frustration. So I'm just taking this glow-in-the-dark powder and I'm going to be sprinkling that all over the spiderweb nail art, and that's how I got it to glow in the dark. And then onto the middle finger, we're going to be doing some ghost nail art. So I'm just making like the little ghost shapes, and then I'm going to be adding on the eyes. And now onto the pointer finger, we're doing like a jack-o'-lantern kind of carved pumpkin nail. So I'm starting off with the eyes. In the picture, the eyes are very like slanted, so that's what I was trying to do. mouth, I just made like a regular like smiling mouth, and then I kind of like erased little chunks to make that kind of like classic carved pumpkin mouth look, and I think it turned out really nicely. So moving on to the thumbnail, I decided to do like a starry night sky, so I started off by drawing a moon, and then I started drawing all the stars, and then I just added some like random dots to kind of fill in some space. And that is pretty much it for the nail art and the nail set. So we're just going to finish this off with some top coat. I guess I skipped the cuticle oil part, but I did add cuticle oil on the nails. And here are how they turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I really like it, and I think it's a good way to end October, which is like a classic looking Halloween nail set. And they glow in the dark, which I love. I love glow in the dark nails. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys are doing for today, for Halloween. Anything special, anything fun going on. Sadly, I told you guys in my last video that my Halloween is kind of canceled, so I'm not really going to be doing anything special. Hopefully I'll get to watch like a Halloween, like a fun, happy Halloween movie. If you have any recommendations for some like happy Halloween movies, I need them, so leave them in the comments. How the nails look glowing in the dark. I just love glow in the dark nails, and that spider web nail is so cool. Yeah, I think that was good. I'm kind of happy that I didn't find that white glow in the dark polygel, because I already did that. Like, I already did the glow in the dark blood drip French tip, so I like how we did something different here. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you all enjoy your Halloween, and I hope you guys do something fun today. I'm kind of sad that spooky season is over, but next up is Christmas, and I'm excited for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Happy Halloween!